Okay, reach over and turn up the volume on that double throw down, high-speed super surround system. They're thrashing in the pits, and it's time for our Sounds of the Strip.
Bodie and Tasca right now. Robert's up after that.
Who is?
Bodie and Tasca.
Okay.
I got John. With John Force. So far, this day is going just like you drew it up. All your Mustangs looking good right now.
I got my new Oakleys on. I got a red digital camera right here in front of me. Life couldn't be better. So I'm excited because Mike now talking about that 45 lane. Oh, starting to go down the racetrack. Him and John Revenue. I'm excited about that. We got it all over the course. It's awesome. What I run? 09? You get lane going on?
Actually, by the way, you know you're going to have to run that hot rod that ground.
Oh, it's good, yeah, but I don't care. I want it to run. Hey, if they can beat me, God bless them. Okay, so, hey, fighting time. Fans are great here in
Chicago.
Actually, we won't let the details get in the way of a good score.
Where they were. You need me?
Yeah, I need you after this run, John.
Okay, let me see. Tasky. Okay, I won't be. I ain't got a lot to say.
Bob Tasca and Bob Bodie, and Bob Tasca all the way, a 4:09 with an 8 to a losing 4:20 with a 4. Well, Bob Tasca will face Ashley Force Hood.
Wow, that was a nice run by him.
Yeah.